To Bakbatan, Bakbatan Island. This is in Kulasi. You know where Bakbatan is? Have you been there? Not yet. So that man was making his way to Bakbatan. At that time, when Mount Machas, our Mount Machas is there, that time Mount Machas is blossoming and blooming with grayish white nimbus clouds or cumulus. What do you call that? That white na no, ang unang nagpapamulak ang Machas kam amurian na klase kam pangalon. So if you were a fisherman, you know what that scenario means. May language ang mga mangingisda ay sa Kulasi ang Machas Mountain. Because that would mean a windy, turbulent trip to Bakbatan or Manibig. So the boatkeeper asked the man, "Is it your first time to travel by boat? And Bakbatan is 45 minutes to 1 hour sea travel. So if it is so, this is not the best time for you to travel, for you will suffer seasickness and dizziness." Imagine 45 minutes or 1 hour. So the man answered cheerfully, "Mahapal kang bataan. I've seen how beautiful Bakbatan is in picture, posted in Facebook. So that my heart got to Bakbatan first. And therefore, it's easy for me, for the rest of me, to follow." So that I relate this short story because I know if it's your first time and if you've been Kulasi and if you've been from the southernmost part, Alii or Dao, something like that, I know it's not easy to travel this time that far because of the scorching heat of the sun. I know it's more comfortable staying at home, but you know, when you come over to Laos and you see the environment and the people around, and of course your brothers and sisters, I guess you will not regret coming over. Because as early as yesterday, I just can remember yesterday as early as 9 o'clock when we are having our meeting, a parent, a good friend of mine from San Jose, texted me. Her two ladies are here. The daughters of the Dr. Maglantay. The mother is so protective, and she texted me, "Are my ladies there already?" So although I haven't seen the ladies, I have seen Ira and Precious only this morning. I can assure her, I can assure the mother that her two ladies are safe because they are in the house. So I hope that everyone is also safe, although you're not that comfortable because it's so hot. But then, just being around with your brothers and sisters, having this summer youth camp is enough to make you comfortable. With a text message from a mother, I realized that parents are being protective, even though they want the best opportunities for their children. With the summer camping, they want them to have whatever it takes them to be happy, but at the same time, of course, safe and secure. So that in us, I wish that the previous expectations of at least a good camping site is successful. I hope too that this venue could be a nurturing environment where the campers can have unforgettable experiences, getting along well with others, and at the same time, successfully obtaining say enough. Welcome again.